Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet.
Hawthorn is for the heart. Hawthorn is easily my most loved herb for the heart. And while we can classify hawthorn with a handful of medicinal words like astringent, antispasmodic, cardiotonic, diuretic, hypotensive, but a better understanding is simply that hawthorn nourishes and protects the heart. As a result, hawthorn's virtues benefit a wide variety of heart-related problems. Oftentimes in Western herbalism, we focus on the berries, which are ripe in the fall, but leaves and flowers are also filled with medicinal benefits. Large long-term and short-term studies have shown that hawthorn offers many benefits for people who already have mild to moderate heart disease. Studies have specifically shown improvement for ankle edema, general cardiac performance, reduced blood pressure, cholesterol, fatigue, pain with increased exertion, and palpitations. That's a lot of powerful ways that hawthorn benefits the heart. Based on these studies, researchers have concluded what herbalists have long known, that hawthorn has a clear benefit for patients with mild to moderate heart failure. So how does hawthorn provide so many benefits for the heart? Well, like most herbs, hawthorn works in many ways, some of which we may never fully understand. But here's what we do know. Hawthorn is rich in flavonoids that are known to protect the cardiovascular system. Much of the heart disease in Western world is related to chronic inflammation. Regularly enjoying herbs and foods and flowers high in these flavonoids can protect the heart from chronic inflammation and oxidative stress.
Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.